Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do hair bonnet. You can see the one I'm holding in my hand here. You can see how beautiful it is. You can do it for sale. You can start from somewhere. You can do it and sell. Like me, I do it and sell. You can start with Ankara. You can use any fabric of your choice. You can use satin, you can use bridal. But me, today, I'm going to be using Ankara to show you how to do something like this. So you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe. Thank you for your support so far. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So let's get to work. So what you need first, you need Ankara fabric. So, and you know, I am using two. So I want it I want to make something that you can use the both side. You can wear the both side. So I'm using two different Ankara fabric. So the next thing that we do is to place them together, right side facing each other, and then you take a measurement. So for the length of the bonnet, I am going to be using 13 and a half. Then I'm going to multiply the 13 and a half into 2, which is 27 and a half. So I'll measure it. Then for the width of the bonnet, you can use 24. You can use from 22 20. The width of this material is 30. This particular one that I'm using, but you can go ahead and use 24. You can use 20 from 22, 23, 24. It is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fold it together like this. As you can see how I am doing it. So after I finish folding it now, the next thing I'm going to do, I will still go ahead and fold it again to give me that triangle shape. As you can see how I'm doing, and make sure that you arrange your material very well. Let everything align with each other. Make sure you straighten them. And then you can even go ahead and iron it first before you start taking your measurement. So as you can see, I told you that the length of our bonnet is 13 and a half. So now this is where we are going to mark that 13 and a half. So we will mark that 13 and a half round to form a circle. You can see how I am doing it. So you mark it round to form a circle. You see how I am doing it here. So make sure you don't rush. Take it easy. You get it. So after that, you go ahead to form the circle using your chalk. You see how I am doing it. So just take your time. You get it. After forming the circle, you go ahead and cut your, and after forming it, you go ahead and cut it out. So this is what it looks like. Yes, our hair bonnet is almost ready. So the next thing we are going to do now is to take it to your sewing machine and sew it round. You see how I'm doing it. So now I'm done sewing it. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is to bring out my fabric. You know that I like when I was sewing it, I did not close everything. So you have to sew it and leave at least 2 inch where your hand can enter, so that you use that part to bring out the right side of the fabric. As you can see, our hair bonnet is almost ready. You can go ahead and iron it so that everything will align. So my design is ready. So the next thing now I'm going to do is to circle it, is to mark 2 inch round, then sew it, because that is where this thing is going to pass through. So that I'm done sewing. This is where our elastic is going to pass through. So now I am done sewing around my 2 inches. So I will mark my elastic. For this elastic, I use 10 inch. 10 inch of elastic. You know now, so elastic. So I'll go ahead and insert my elastic round. As you can see, our hair bonnet is almost ready. It is not hard. So you just have to take your time, watch the video. You can even watch the video while doing it, or you watch it over and over again. so that you can get it. So I'll go to my sewing machine and sew this elastic together so that it will not go off. So I am done sewing it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to cover up this open place, this place that we this open part. So we are going to go to our sewing machine and close the open part to lock it. So as you can see, our hair bonnet is ready. Look at it now. You can wear the front side, you can even wear the back side. So it does not have the back. Both the inside and the outside is like, you can wear both the inside and the right side. You can see how beautiful it is. You can use it, you can make it and sell. You can make it for your customer. You can even start, if you don't have something doing, you can start making it and sell, and people will buy from you. Seriously. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, comment, and share it with others. Thank you.